ticket number P10599265. And I'm sorry, this is the People versus Joe Davis. Count 1, improper plates. We're also here on ticket number P105895. Good morning, please state your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Kathy Murphy, P51422, for Mr. Davis, who appears via Zoom. Sir, would you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, my name is Joe Davis.
Your Honor, Mr. Davis will accept the offer extended, the generous offer extended by the people to plead guilty to improper plates. That's the last ticket on the docket, and then the first ticket, counts 1, 2, and 3 would be dismissed.
And I failed to place counts 1, 2, and 3 on the record in ticket number ending in 953. So it's count 1, driver's license expired. Count 2, drive and registered or entitled vehicle. And count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Mr. Davis, you want to raise your right hand?
Yes,
You swear or affirm to the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I swear.
You can put your hand down, sir. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Murphy today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your plea today?
no,
You're pleading guilty because, and I'm sorry, you're waiving your right. Excuse me, you're doing this of your own free will. Sorry,
yes.
I'm like all mixed up.
It's it's okay.
You understand that by making this guilty plea, you are waiving your right to trial?
Yes,
When you're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
yes,
You understand that by waiving your right to trial, you, but by understanding that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with this guilty plea?
yes,
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of January 23rd, 2020 at approximately 6:22 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of eastbound East 7 Mile and Hayes in the city of Detroit?
yes.
Were you driving a 2007 Chrysler?
Yes,
And did you have improper plates?
yes,
You're satisfied with the factual basis, Ms. Murphy?
Yes, Your Honor.
You stipulate the probable cause?
Yes,
as
Your
to
Honor.
Remaining charges to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so are you working, Mr. Davis?
as far as having a job at the moment, no, but working independently, yes. And you know, like when this situation occurred, I was literally coming from Home Depot, which is right down the street. That's why I have no, thought at accepting guilt on everything that happened. But as far as working, yes, I work independently at the moment.
Okay, so you're
Everything-
able to pay, a fine?
Yes, I am.
All right, so I'm gonna make the fine, it's gonna be $240, and I'll give you 3 months to pay.
I'm sorry, like I explained to Miss Murphy, I didn't need 3 months to pay the fine. I would, like I said, once again, I'm just a man standing here willing to accept any consequences for this,
Okay.
for my actions.
So the fine is gonna be $240. You can pay it before the 3 months, just if you don't pay it in 3 months, then that may be an issue. But you can pay it before then.
I get it done.
Okay, all right.
And I'm sorry, I'm sorry for my actions. Sorry, I apologize to everyone involved.
All right, so you also, you know what, there's also, you have some clearance fees, which is $180. So I'll reduce the 240 to 200. So then you just have to, you're gonna have to pay $380.
You said I had a clearance fee. I thought I already paid the clearance fee.
The computer is indicating it hasn't been paid, and it's for 4 other tickets.
How?
So, Mr. Davis, You might have paid some other tickets, but clearance fees can't be paid until the matter has been disposed of. So for each one of those cases that you're here for, the arraignment on the bench warrant, each one of those are suspended. So once those clearance fees are paid, the suspension will be lifted on those.
Yeah, but what did I just wanted to just clarify. So what did I pay on already then?
If you want to call me after the court hearing, Mr. Davis, I can go over that with you.
Yes,
It'll take me a little bit of time to get into it right now.
I
Or I can
understand.
leave you in the waiting room and then I can talk to you after we're done.
Okay,
All right,
What?
so,
I'm sorry. Go ahead.
so there's gonna be the $200 fine in addition to the $180, and then you have to August 2nd to get that paid.
I understand.
Do you need more time?
No, I get it done.
Okay. All right. Did you have any other questions?
No.
You wanna go into the breakout room?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So that concludes this matter. Good luck to you. Sorry. That's all right. Which one, what other one are you writing on?
Mr. Ray,
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, Mr. Ray, we're gonna go on the record, sir. This is the People
Oh.
versus Raymond Ray. Ticket number P11771146, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, failed to use seatbelt assembly system effective. We're also here on ticket number P790614, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, no, drove while license not valid or improper license. We're also here on ticket number 204-5499552. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. I'm sorry, that was count 2, and then count 1, driver's license expired. Good morning, please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney Murphy.
good morning, Your Honor. Kathy Murphy, P51422 for Mr. Ray, who appears via Zoom telephone. Sir, would you state your name for the record, please?
I'm ready.
All right,
You're-
there is go ahead, Ms. Murphy.
I'm sorry, Judge. As you were about to say, Mr. Ray will plead on ticket ending 146. Count 2, he'll plead responsible. Count 1 will be reduced to failure to display, and then the other 4 matters would be dismissed.
All right, Mr. Ray, can you raise your right hand?
Yes.
Swear or
Excuse me.
affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Murphy today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes. Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of March 16, 2021 at approximately 5:05 p.m. On that date and time, you at or near the location of Littlefield and Foley in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
Were you driving a 2011 Chevrolet?
Yes.
And were you driving while your license was not valid, or you had an improper license?
Yes.
And did you not have your seatbelt?
No, I didn't have my seatbelt on.
You're satisfied with factual basis, Ms. Murphy?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining charges?
Yes, Your Honor.
Be dismissed? Okay. So the court will, if the court is also satisfied with the factual basis, will amend count 1 to fail to display. There is going to be a fine. The fine. No, sorry, yeah, I just looking for the fine for no seatbelt. Okay, so for no seatbelt, it's $65, and you have 14 days to pay that. So you need to have that paid by May 17th, 2022, or else it's gonna go into default, Mr. Ray. As for the count 1 charge of failed to display, I'm going to waive that fee. But Mr. Ray, you also have $90 in clearance fees that you need to pay as well, sir.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
I'm sorry.
I said, thank you
Okay,
so
yeah.
much.
So it's gonna be a
I
total of like
appreciate it.
$155.
Okay, I have to head up by the 14th of May.
The 17th of May is when you at least have to have paid the $65, or else that ticket is gonna go to
Oh,
the
okay. Okay,
but you should probably clear everything up.
okay.
Probably, you
I
should. clear.
appreciate it.
Okay. All right, any other
Okay.
questions, Mr. Ray?
No, you were very, I understand. You were very helpful. I thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Good luck to you.
Okay. Thanks again.
That concludes this matter.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
If I could have one moment with Miss Daniel and then with Miss Rogers, we would be ready, Your Honor.
Here with Ms. Daniel.
Thank you.